Oh yeah, looking real nice. All right, we're at my dad's right now. This dude seems to take all of my Snap-on batteries and chargers and whatnot. So I need this. I don't think I need the big guns. Need the little gun and my other batteries. Where is my light? Alright guys, got what I came for, my charger, my light. Look at all my racing stuff up here, all my old stuff. We got graphics and helmets and all kinds of stuff up there. It's always cool coming back to the house and checking everything out. KTM cornhole boards, those are cool. Me and my dad made those. We could take this thing for a rip. But actually, bad news, today's plans got a little wacky. As I'm here getting my charger and everything what I need, I just got called for a run. I had a run late last night, which was the truck got destroyed with mud, which was what I showed you earlier. So let's try to stay on track with what I have planned for today. But first we're gonna go do this run. Let's go. Got a slice of pizza. We're on the road. We're racing them. We're racing another hotshot guy. Cummins is pulling ahead. We're gaining on him. We're gaining on him. We're gonna beat him. We're doing about 120. Oh, we got him. Beat him. Smoked them. Powerstroke smokes Cummins. No, I'm kidding, guys. We're doing 17 mile an hour, 16 mile an hour. In construction traffic. Little update, we got the trailer, it's hooked up on the back. Can you see it right there? It is a test unit for the wellheads. This trailer here they put on the weigh bill, weighing about 7,500 pounds. It's like a little car trailer thingy test unit. And this is going to Cadiz, Ohio. I don't know if that's how you say it. This came out of Waynesburg, Pennsylvania, which was about an hour and some from the house. Uh-oh, Cummins is smoking me. Straight pipe hammered down. He gone. So I left the house and I went to Waynesburg to pick up this trailer. Now this trailer is going from Waynesburg to Cadiz, Ohio, which is about an hour and 40 minutes from there. Short little run, but it put me at a weird time. So like it's 3:30 right now. I left the house at, I couldn't even tell you what time I left the house. So my day did get a little messed up. You can see this box right here behind me on the seat. I had something planned for you guys here, a whole other video for today, a whole other plan. There's literally hotshot guys everywhere around this area. It's unbelievable. Everywhere you look, you see a truck with a gooseneck or some kind of hotshot situation. It's unbelievable. But yeah, I had a whole other day planned for that box back there, and then I got my call to go on this run. I was running late last night, so the runs kind of come in whenever. Like last night I got called at like 5:30. Me and my wife had a dinner planned for Valentine's Day, and you know, I had to go and run. It is what it is. This is the life of a hotshotter. But anyways, let's keep on trucking, and I'll update you guys here in a minute. Made it. Holy smokes, my thing is going crazy. Whoa, that's a little sketchy right there. We made it. Huh. Okay, so here's what we got going on. This is a serious mess here. Looks like they're still fracking here, or they're setting up for a frack. I'm not exactly sure. I have never been here before. But this truck, that truck down there, right there, and this truck here, and I actually passed one back there on the road, are all from my company unloading that stuff there. And I guess that this test unit here is to test that stuff after they get it hooked up. It looks like there's zero room on the pad to really maneuver around, so I'm not sure what I'm gonna do. But see, my thing is real easy. I don't have to wait for an operator to come unload the trailer and whatnot. I just have to squeak into a spot and back this trailer up to it, and then disconnect it, and I'm gone. I'm back on the road. So I might try to sneak around this guy, but I'm not sure. I don't want to be rude. I don't want to make anyone mad. Check that out right there. That is a smidge sketchy. The camera doesn't really do it justice because the sun is so bad, but he is right on the edge of that hill, and I mean right on the edge. A little bit of a weight shift on that sucker, and dude, you're going down. Check that out. So yeah, you can see the pipeline coming in there. This is probably a new construction pad because they don't have a pipeline to it yet. So they're not here like reworking it or anything. Brand new construction, so they probably built it, drilled it, now they're fracking, and they're piping in the pipeline to get it flowing. Time check, 4:29. Not too bad. Took me what? I'm not sure the last time we checked in, but not a bad drive at all. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let this dude here get swung around right there and come on out, and I might try to squeak in there. But it looks like a pretty tight pad, so I don't know. All right, guys, that was like the best case scenario, so I didn't have to wait for these guys to get unloaded. He let me just go in, drop it real quick. Super tight pad, literally no room at all. These ones suck to deliver to, especially if you're in a big truck like that one right there. But yeah, we're good to go. But all right, guys, this is Tappan Lake. This is a lake in Ohio that I don't know. I just really like this lake. It's an awesome lake. We come here all the time. We do like wake surfing, wakeboarding, stuff like that. Just, you know, hang out. It's about a little over an hour from the house. But today is a prime example of a legitimate day in the life of a hotshot trucker, like, you know, someone who does hotshotting for a living. This is a perfect example of how your days can go. My camera battery died, so we had to get a new battery, and I relocated down a little bit because I just realized that freaking bathroom was in the background of the shot the whole time. Sorry for that. Okay, so where was I? There's a lot of times when, you know, you have something to do, you have a nice, awesome thing planned, you get called, you gotta go. Now, there has been times where maybe I was at a party or whatever, I had a few drinks, and I had to turn down the load. Or I was literally like far away from the house, and, you know, something was going on where I couldn't take the load, I had to turn it down. It's okay to do that, but it's not the greatest thing, because here's why. Because there's the next guy in line that is ready to take that load, and as soon as you start building relationships, you got to honor those relationships and kind of go when they call. I wouldn't call hotshotting like a legitimate permanent job, a permanent career. It's tough to be on call 24/7, 7 days a week, 365 days a year. I'm not gonna lie, that's probably the biggest downfall to doing the whole hotshot thing, is being on call and having to be available literally whenever that phone rings. I have two phones. One phone is like my personal line, and then the other phone is the dedicated trucking line. So that is like the red phone. When that phone rings, I know, I have a certain ringtone on it, I know that that's the phone that, you know, like, uh-oh, time to go. A lot of the stuff that I do with my small pickup here is time sensitive. Now, if you run a big truck or a big rig or something like that, that stuff is usually scheduled out a couple days, which makes that a little better. You know, you might get a call, you know, tonight, say it's 5 o'clock right now. Hey, you know, Joe Schmo, you got to be at so-and-so's yard tomorrow by 8 o'clock to load. So like, that's not like a real like time sensitive, available 24/7 kind of thing. But my stuff here, the division that I chose is the hotshot division, where legitimately you got to be available 24/7. So that was enough rambling on that part. Today just kind of worked out to explain to you guys how it is running it 24/7. You know, like I said, I had the whole day plan with that secret box right there in the back seat, as you can see. But stay tuned for that video coming out soon. It's gonna be another one of my honest product review videos. I'm gonna put it on the truck. But look at where I'm at. This is so nice. The lake's still frozen. You can see like ice and stuff and the sun setting. I was trying to make it here for like golden hour, you know, like golden hour, like photography, where it gets super nice and the sun setting and the lights looks just awesome. But there's a little bit of overcast and it's blocking the sun, which, I mean, it still looks very good. But all right, guys, I'm gonna touch on the truck really quick. The truck here, 2017 Ford F-250 6.7 Powerstroke. I have our put together stage 1 kit. It's running right over about 600 wheel horsepower. I leave it on power level 5 at all times whenever I'm towing or doing anything like that. I just put tow haul on and then put it down into the manual and control my own shifts. The truck runs absolutely good. We went up some nasty hills, did a lot of back road driving today, and it ran literally so good. If you guys are interested in getting one of these kits for your Powerstroke, your 6.7 Powerstroke, hit the link in the description, shopmoderndiesel.com. Check out our performance packages. We have like a stage 1 kit, a stage 2 kit, and then if you don't want to get any of those, you can just grab like an easy link with the proper tuning and everything like that, and then you can source your own parts or whatever you would like to do. But yeah, check it out, Shop Modern Diesel. These 6.7 Powerstrokes are such good trucks. I came from a 6.7 Cummins, and you know, commercially working with the thing and working with that one and then working with this one, I can honestly say that these 6.7 Powerstrokes 2017 and up run so good. They haul awesome. This thing legitimately tows and hauls like a dream, and I definitely wouldn't even consider any other truck for commercial work. But all right, guys, that is about it for today. Stay tuned for the winners of the shirt and the hat. I'm picking 2 winners to receive a free hat and a free shirt. I'm gonna send it to you, Modern Diesel merch. That was on my recent Instagram post, which was the 20,000 subscriber giveaway. You guys are awesome. I want to thank you for liking that picture and follow me on Instagram. That's awesome. At Modern Diesel Corey, if you want to go follow me. I will post the winners on my Instagram first, so follow me there to stay up to date with who's going to win. And then obviously I'll give you guys a shout out here on the channel. But that is about it for today, guys. Now I'm definitely just rambling. I'm getting ready to head to the house. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. As always, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace!